Good day everyone, welcome to Emmhi's channel. In this video I'm teaching you how to link Facebook page to your Instagram account. So also run an advert on your Instagram page. The first thing you have to do is log into your account. Then click on this icon on the right side of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. So after that, click on account center. So scroll down and click on add more accounts. Click on it again. So let's just use the shortcut. So click on the edit profile. So you go into the side. So scroll down and click on page. So this is where you can connect your Facebook page. So click on it. As you can see, connect or create a Facebook page. So click on continue. So after that, it will take you to a link on how to maybe you log into your Instagram account to your Facebook account. So after that, type in your password, then log into it. Then it will automatically link to your Instagram account. So that's how you link your Instagram account. Because I've already linked one to it before, so I can't link it more again. So you can only link just one page to your Instagram, one Facebook account to your Instagram. So make sure you have your page on Instagram or on your Facebook account, so it will be easy to run the adverts. Good day everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave us a thumbs like. Good day everyone.